friends, warm welcome to all. In today's quick learning, we will go through date and time function. This will be very quick session, small session. So for date, if you want to calculate today's date, you will write equal to today, open bracket and close bracket. You will get the today's date. And if you want date with time, then now, open bracket and close bracket, you will get date with time. What if you need only the current time, not the date? For that, you can go with now minus today and enter. You will get the current time. Same way, we have the shortcut key for date is control colon. If you do control colon from your keyboard, you will get the date and control shift colon for time. But this date and time are static and these are dynamic. Dynamic means if you make any changes, this will be updating. And if you close this sheet and open tomorrow, then date will get updated and time will also get updated as per the system. So these are the dynamic date and time. If you make any changes to the sheet, this will be updating. And these are the static. Sometime we get a data like this where we can see date in this format too. Number. To convert that number into date, you will just go to Home tab here, and in that you have formatting. Just change it to short date or any format. Every number is a date, like whatever number you type, that number will be the date, because date is nothing but the number format. Okay, so when you convert that number into date, you will get a date. I think numbers are type lengthy one. Okay, let me just type this here or somewhere else. Okay, and convert this into date. So every number is a date. Thank you for watching.